guys? Just got the brand new JUMPZYLLA trampoline here for Apollo's birthday. I tried to get it assembled. Apollo's gonna try to help me here. Kind of excited. I used to have a trampoline when I was younger. This one's supposed to be really safe and go together super easy, so we're gonna try to get it installed as fast as we can. All the tools are supposedly included, but I may use some of my own just because it makes things a little easier. But yeah, we put down about 130 square feet of some pavers to make the ground a little more even, so when you're jumping, trampoline stays in place and kind of beds down the grass underneath. But yeah, we're gonna get Apollo to help us. Come here. Yeah, we'll try to get it installed, and I'll do a little time lapse so you can see how quick and easy it's supposed to go together. And then we'll test it with Apollo. All right, here's Apollo doing his first couple real bounces here. And it's actually pretty nice quality. I will say it was a little bit more difficult than I expected to do it all. It took a little bit longer, and I did it all by myself, and Apollo was helping me. So I'd say it's roughly about a 90 to 2 hour job to do it all, depending on, you know, how versed you are, and I couldn't get a few things to line up. So, but yeah, overall it's pretty good, and it seems pretty safe. So that's number one thing. Tell me what you guys thought about the video, what you guys thought about Apollo, and he's ready for me to jump with him, so I'm gonna hop in. Okay, show me how you jump. Okay. Yeah. Oh, just jump. Ready, set, go. Set, go.